right there. Hello, people. Cute puppy. Whoa. I wonder if I can make that go around another lap. I'm going to take you for another spin. This damn tripod. Likes to hold the camera sometimes, and sometimes it don't. Okay, there we go. Cute puppy. Well, there they go. There's the cute puppies that are supposed to be saying good morning to you. Anyways, today... Oh, hello again. Welcome back to another episode of Hands On with BLG. This man right here, and BLG, the Florida Fat Man. I'm Lefty, and I'm Righty. Today we're going to make ham and bean soup. We had ham yesterday. Ham and beans. Pinto beans. Now, generally you would do 2 pounds of beans for a big family. I'm going to cut this recipe in half, so everything I do, just double it. Write it down in doubles, okay? So what we're going to do, we'll take our beans, we're going to take our, here, I don't know, I'm going to see if I can get something set up here. We're going to put our beans, I did not set up at all. I'm going to have to move my pineapple somewhere. Anyways, we're going to put our beans in the pot. Kind of sift through them. We want to sift through them real quick. Sometimes there's little rocks and stems in these things. They're not perfect at the plant, you know what I mean? So I want to kind of dig around. And these ones look good. These look alright. See? Do you see any stems or anything? See anything? No? Alright, so what we're going to do now, let's come over here, like this. I want to put some water in here with the beans, just enough to cover them up, okay? Just enough to get them covered good. Just like that. Beans. See, they're covered good by maybe a 1/4 of an inch or so. Then we come over here. This is the easy part. We're going to turn this on, front. We're going to bring this up to a boil, right here, to a boil. Then we're going to shut off the heat, and we're going to put a lid on there. We're going to let them sit for 1 hour, about 1 hour. Just let them sit, hang out, be groovy. No heat, once they boil. And that's all there is to it. So we'll see you after this. You hear this comes up to a boil, and I'll put the lid on it and let them sit for an hour. And we'll move on to the next step. This easy, folks. This easy. You can make these. There you are. We're back. Welcome back. It's Lefty here. I kicked Righty's ass. I locked him out of the house. He's out in the front porch going, "God damn it, Lefty. Why did you have to let smack me around and lock me out of the house and stuff?" Because I wanted to. I'm in a pissy mood today. Uh-oh, here he comes back in. He got in through the window. Righty, go away. Leave me alone. Damn it, Lefty. What the fuck? You coming in here and fucking throwing me, smacking me, and throwing me out on the porch and locking the door. Because I felt pissy. Fuck you, Lefty. You straighten up. I'll chop your ass off tonight when you're sleeping. Sorry. Okay then, get back to cooking. Okay, so anyway, what we've done here, I've got some leftover ham. Here, chunks I've diced up. I've got 1 yellow onion, which actually this time is a real yellow onion. Don't know how that timed out, but okay. BLG, you're a filthy pig. Stop doing that in the camera. So anyways, got a chunk of onion. Our beans have been sitting over here, watch out, for heat off and covered for 1 hour. See, they've been sitting here. They're kind of beanie-like. Stir them around a little bit, like that. Yep. And we might need to add just a little bit more water to them. Give me a cup. This one enough water in. You're not going to strain those beans off, folks. Do not strain the beans. Leave the bean. So you can see there's a little bit of water left in here. Leave that in there, okay? We're going to put some more water in here. See how it's bean juicy? The bean broth, we call it. leaves the bean broth in here. We're going to put a little bit more of this in here. Just enough to cover it up decent, like that again. See? Nothing to this. Nothing to this. This is easy. And this would be the best damn ham and beans you ever had. Screw them navy beans. No. You use these. Pinto beans. Yes. The same things to make refried beans out of. So anyways, we've got that. Dun, 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 dun. We are going to put our hammage and our onions in here. Into the pan. There you go. Into the pan. There you go. And our onion. One finely diced onion. Into the pot. There you go. Just about should have got a bigger pot. I'm tempted to do that anyway. Like it takes a while to wash one pot. You know what I mean? There we go. I'm going to get a little bit bigger pot. I'm not going to trust that. For myself cooking? No. No. I'm going to jump up to the next size if I can find one. Here we go. We're going to jump up to this size if you don't mind. But anyways, same effect. This will actually help stir it up. Here we go. Now we're talking. I'll just wash this out. No big deal, folks. No big deal. I'll just rinse that out and wash it. Sink. The other dishes here when I get in a minute. Okay, so we've got our beans and our... What the hell was that? Fuck off my door. Okay. Anyways, we're going to mix our beans, our ham, and our onions up. Nope, the onions are not sauteed or anything. We're just going to mix them up real good here like this. See, our bean broth water is right here. And our beans and everything. You can mix them up like that. Right? Now, we want to... I don't need this knife. Look at that knife over there. I almost cut myself, Jen, eh? I need dun 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 and dun 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 2 bay leaves. Boom, they go right there, right? Now I gotta put these ones back. That goes there, that goes there. Also, that will crumb away. Alrighty. Then we're gonna use. Actually, you know what? This is half. 1 bay leaf. Only need 1 bay leaf. I'm doing a half size. I forgot about that. For a full one, you want 2. Okay, so I want about 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. So I'm going to do it this way. About a tablespoon. I'm not going to measure it this time. I'm just going to go, that's about a tablespoon right there, garlic powder. Yep, I'm going to use the old trick. And I'm going to put the lid back on this. And I want about 1 teaspoon. You'd want 1 tablespoon of black pepper if you was doing this. So I'm going to go for about a teaspoon. About 1 teaspoon. Black pepper. In there like that. Right? We've got our onions in there. We've got our ham in there. We've got our bay leaf, our garlic, and our pepper. And that is all, folks, believe it or not. We're going to stir this up real good here. That's all there is to it. You don't need a crap load of spices to make good dinner. This is a good old stick to your ribs. You serve some cornbread with this? Damn, folks. Oh, speaking of which, yeah, I was going to make a loaf of bread today. Oh, well, anyway, I don't care. At this point, too far gone. The day is too far gone. Mr. Cowboy Spoon, say hello again. Hello again, people. It's me again, Mr. Cowboy Spoon. Nice to see ya. Nice to see ya. See ya. Nice to see ya. Does anybody want a spoon? No? Well, okay. Anyways, back to a boil we go. Kick this bad bango. Kick this burner back up. Back to a boil. Bring that back to a boil. I need to get the bigger lid now. Because I switched pots. That's too big. I don't know if I even got that size lid. Nope, that's too small. Here, that might be it. There it is, right? Perfect. Okay, so back to a boil we go with this. La 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 la. I just got this cranked up on high, by the way. La 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 la. I'm gonna put some dish soap water in the sink so I can wash up these dishes and get them out of my way. Always keep your kitchen clean while you're going. It makes things so much easier. There we go. Nice warm water. Oh, well, I'm gonna let that boil. I'll be right back. Zap. Zap. Alrighty, folks. As you can see, we're kind of up to a boil. Now what we're going to do, we're going to kick this bad boy way down here to about maybe 2 or so, 2, low flame. Like, I'm going to go about 2.5 to a simmer, right? I'm going to give these a stir, just like so. Stir them, stir them. Stir them up, just like that, see? Get them all in the pot. Get them all down in the pot. Just like this here. Pow! Cover. Now we're going to stir these up about maybe every 10, 12 minutes or so, 20, 15 minutes. Just every once in a while. And what these are going to do is sit here on simmer for another hour or so. Maybe an hour, 10 minutes, whatever, around an hour. Round about. There, what you took in the boot shoe, there's a moose loose about the hoose. Canadian. I learned it on TV. Yeah, pretty cool. I like trying to pick up different languages. Hey, there's two gonna boot hoser. What's up, eh? Something like that. See, not making fun of Canadians. I like Canadians. Worked with a bunch of them in Chicago. Me and Big D did. They were really cool. Party! We used to go to like this bar and get like hammered every once in a while, and show up there at lunch and then close the place down kind of hammered. It was fun. Those guys were cool. Anyways, yeah, 1 hour. I'm just going to stir this every now and then until the beans get tender. So an hour and whatever. Just check a bean once in a while. If it cuts nice, there you go. And I'll see you here when those have been going for about an hour until the beans are tender. And then we'll go on to the next step, believe it or not. And we're back, folks. Just been probably about an hour, right about at 1 hour. The beans are nice and tender. Now what we're going to do, keep it at a simmer, and we're going to stir them, come around a little bit. And what we're going to do is just we're going to let these sit with no lid on them, and we're going to let these simmer for about another 20 to 25 minutes. What we're doing is we're reducing some of this juice out. Okay? Isn't that looking good? Look at that. Smells awesome. So I'll see you back here somewhere around 20-25 minutes. Alright, folks, we're back. Check that bad boy out. Look at here. Ham and beans, baby. Got a dinner roll soaking in here with a little bit of juice. Hell yes. Ham and beans. And that's what you want to make for dinner when next time you have leftover ham, folks. It's a great idea. It's cheap. It's easy. Fills you up. Feeds a lot of people. Hope you enjoyed this episode, Hands On with BLG. For Hands On with BLG, for BLG, I am BLG. I am Lefty. I am Righty. We'll see you guys back here in the next exciting video, Hands On with BLG. Bye, everybody. Have a good one. Hands On with BLG. You never know what you will see. Oh, yes, sirree. Hands On with BLG. Stick around.